The IEEE Xplore team and the IEEE International Conference on Solid-State Circuits are excited to deliver another avenue for professional development. The ISSCC Short Courses and Tutorials collection was developed from the research and work showcased every year by engineers, researchers, and industry leaders presented at the annual International Solid-State Circuits Conference. Intended for practicing engineers, graduate students, and non-experts who wish to explore and understand a new topic, the ISSCC Short Courses and Tutorials collection offers background information on several timely and relevant topics, such as basics in circuit and system design, and application-specific courses on leading-edge areas such as quantum computing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. IEL subscribers have access to the latest conference proceedings coming from our conference collection, including the current and past ISSCC conferences. Now you can supplement this content through this new collection hosted on the IEEE Xplore digital library platform. With access to over 200 tutorials and short courses, the IEEE Xplore platform allows for easy access and dissemination of this material across an organization. The Tutorials and Short Courses collection bridges the gap between academia and industry research, offering insights that go beyond textbooks and into real-world design challenges. This collection is perfect for the busy engineer looking to stay current on a topic, a faculty member who wants to incorporate information on the latest technologies into the curriculum, or a student readying themselves to head out into industry. Each tutorial is approximately an hour and a half, and they are delivered by industry-leading experts and researchers, offering an affordable way to support ongoing professional growth. And with the ability to navigate the collection and learn at one's own pace, it's a good way to offer engineers an opportunity to revisit complex topics or refresh foundational knowledge. We're excited to bring to researchers this new collection, which continues one of IEEE's values, to be a professional home to new and experienced engineers. Find out more about the ISSCC Short Courses and Tutorials collection on our IEEE Innovate website.